Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm starting a new series on SpaceClaim, where we will learn everything step by step from the basics to more advanced modeling. If you have ever tried learning CAD software and felt overwhelmed by complicated tools and endless steps, this series is going to make things much easier for you. In this video, I will introduce you to SpaceClaim, a powerful and intuitive 3D modeling tool, and show you why it's one of the fastest ways to start designing in 3D. So first of all, my name is Walid and I'm a mechanical engineer. I have over 10 years experience doing 3D modeling and doing FEM simulation using the software ANSYS. I'm going to guide you step by step through learning SpaceClaim from the ground up. Whether you are a complete beginner, a student, or someone switching from another CAD software, this series will help you get comfortable and confident with 3D modeling. So, what exactly is SpaceClaim? SpaceClaim is a 3D CAD software that uses something called direct modeling. That means instead of building complex sketches and features histories, you can interact directly with a geometry. In simple terms, you can click on a face, pull it moved, or modify it instantly. It's a much more visual and flexible way of working compared to traditional CAD tools. As you can see on the screen and from the toolbar in SpaceClaim, in the Design tab, we have the Select function, the Pull function, Move, Fill, Combine, and so on. So why should you use SpaceClaim? The biggest advantage is speed and simplicity. You don't need to worry about constraint dependencies or breaking your model when you make changes. You can just focus on the shape and design. So you can prepare your model for simulations, for example, and that's why SpaceClaim is the favorable CAD software before doing a simulation. It's especially useful for things like quick concept design, editing imported CAD files, preparing models for simulation. And that's why many engineers, designers use it as a part of their workflow. So now let's take a quick look at the interface. Here we have the main workspace, as you can see. This is where all your 3D modeling happens actually. At the top, you will find the toolbar where we have the sketch, design, display, assembly measures, and more. You have, of course, in design the tools or the functions like pull, combine, fill, and move. And these are some of the most important tools in SpaceClaim, and we will go through them step by step in the next videos for sure. On the side, you will see a panel that help you manage your geometry and selection. As you can see on the structure here, if you have many parts, you will get this on the structure. You have a selection part where you can make a name selection on your model that helps you define and prepare your model faster. And on the group, you can make a name selection. This is when we talk about this stuff in the next videos. So don't worry if this looks new. We will break everything down slowly in the next lessons. So in the next videos, we are going to start with the basics. You will learn how to navigate in 3D space, create a simple shape, use the most important tool like pull and move, for example. Then we will move on to more advanced topics and real-world examples so you can actually apply what you learn. By the end of this series, you will be able to confidently create and edit 3D models in SpaceClaim. So, if that sounds useful to you, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next videos in this series. And let me know in the comment, what would you like to learn first in SpaceClaim? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.